Hello viewers, yes, this is Ranjana ma'am and you are watching mine as well as your channel. Yes, I am back after quite some time and you will be really happy with what I have brought for you. I have been getting many requests, ma'am, probable chapters. What I suggest to my offline students is that don't really search for probables. Don't really go for them. Study everything, because in ICSE everything is important, right from A to Z. By probable, I tell them that the chapters which I point out as probable, you will give them more stress and you will study everything. This is what I advise my students. So they don't ask me normally for anything probable, but here in YouTube I get countless requests for probable ones. So I will advise you the same thing: prepare everything well, but at the same time the ones which are probable, or as I find they are probable, in my opinion, I am not the paper setter, I always make it clear, don't get me wrong. The ones which I feel are important, you will give them more stress. But don't come and blame me, ma'am, you gave these and we studied these and they didn't come and so we failed. Nothing like that. I am always saying you will study everything. ICSE, ISC, these boards, they are your board exams, class 10, not to be taken lightly, or the night previous, on the eve of the exam, oh, ma'am has said these are the probables, we'll just study only these and then go. What were you doing in the last 2 years? So nothing like that. Probables should be given more emphasis or given more stress, but you will study everything. However, let's go for the probables. But before I start discussing the probables, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, please do, and don't forget to press the like button. This thing, I've got a trigger thumb, I can't really, this doesn't function, I can't straighten it. So don't forget to press the like button if you have liked my video, they really matter. Yes. Yeah, welcome back. Now for the probable ones. In Merchant of Venice, you don't have Act 5. Act 5 has been cut from your syllabus. So the ones which are probable, 1, 2, 3, 4, out of this, I would think, in my opinion, Act 1, Act 2 and Act 3, they are more probable. In Act 1 is very probable, I would rather say. So in Act 1, Act 1 Scene 2 and Scene 3, please study them very well. Act 1, Scene 2 and Scene 3. In Act 2, Scene 1, and then 3, 4 and 5, read them, don't just leave them, because they are like the chain linking you to the other scenes. They might be very brief, but there are paragraphs and you might be given that extract where Lancelot comes to take leave of Jessica. The scene in itself might be very brief, but before the scene ends, Jessica says something after Lancelot leaves. That portion is quite important. That if my fortunes be not crossed, you lose a daughter and I lose a father, and I may be related to him by blood and all that, but I am not to his manners. So these scene wise, no, I am saying there are some extracts which are quite important in every scene. So in that way, don't leave scene 3, 4 and scene 3, 4, 5 and 6, but again stress more on scene 7 because it is the first casket scene, and also on scene 9. All the casket scenes are important, and since last year, if I am not mistaken, casket scenes didn't come. No casket scene came last year. So in this year, it is quite probable. So Act 2 scene 7, Act 2 scene 9. Act 2 is very important since it is the lengthiest one. You have 9 scenes in it. So Act 2 scene 1 and scene 7, they are correlated, Prince of Morocco. So if Morocco comes, in that case something might be asked, what did he say earlier? So for that you need to study Act 2 scene 1 also, they are correlated, I said. So Act 2 scene 1, Act 2 scene 7, Act 2 scene 9. Give them more stress. I am not saying they are coming, I am saying give them more stress. There is a probability. But at the same time, you might be asked, what happened before this? What happened later? And you might find your answers in Act 2, scene 3, 4, 5, 6. Especially there is one scene where there is an extract where Lorenzo is late in coming and Graciano says that this is always the case. When it is new love, then Venus's pigeons, that extract is important. So rather than scene wise, extract wise. So in Act 2, these are the scenes you will lay more stress on, you will give more emphasis, you will study them much more. In Act 3 scene 2, obviously the casket scene, and it is, mind you, the most difficult scene. So Act 3 scene 2, and again scene 3, 4 and 5 have not come even once in the boards. So in that case there is a probability, since you don't have Act 5, there are every chances this time it will be a bit difficult, in the sense that since there are no Act 5 is not there, so out of the 4 acts, 3 are coming. So anything can come which has not come earlier. So Act 3 scene 2 obviously, and then 3, 4 and 5. This time Act 4 scene 1 you will study because it is the court scene, but at the same time if it comes you can always leave. But since it has come in 2019 and 2020, and before that it has come in 2019, 20, it has not come most probably in 18, and it has come in 2016 and 17, something like this. That means just 1 year it did not come, and then it has come in all these consecutive years. So in that case they might think otherwise, it might not come. I am not saying it is not coming, I am saying it might not come. If it comes, you have your choice. If it comes also, then if you are preparing 3 acts, 1, 2 and 3, you will get 2 questions obviously from it. So you can frame your pattern of answering 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2 from Merchant of Venice if Act 4 comes. I have a feeling, I am not saying it is not coming, I have a feeling Act 4 scene 1 might not be again repeated because it has come in 19 and 20, and again they might think that since it is one of the most important scenes, they might give it. So if it comes, I am saying, then you can always leave it out, you have the option. So you lay more stress on Act 1, Act 2 and Act 3. In Act 1, scene 2 and 3, give them more importance but study all the scenes. Act 2, scene 1, scene 7, scene 9, very very important. Scene 7 and 9 because they are the casket scene, and in Act 3, scene 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't think that ma'am should be saying only 3 scenes. In that case, I will have to be the examiner. I am telling the ones which are probable. I am not saying the ones which are definite. Then I would have to know mind reading and all that of the examiners. I am no magician, so I am just discussing, and after doing some research work on the previous year's question papers of the last 5 years since Merchant of Venice was reintroduced in ICSE after a gap of several years. So in that case, I have found that most often Act 4 Scene 1 has come. So in that case, they might not give it this year, and if they give also, I said no problem. But I am not telling you to leave it, but if you want, you can, if you study the first 3 acts also, you will be able to get through it. You will be able to answer at least 2 questions from 1, 2 and 3. You are getting 2 questions. There is no doubt about it. And now for your prose. In prose, 4 of them are very, very important. Chief Seattle, The Old Man at the Bridge, A Horse and Two Goats, and An Angel in Disguise. So these are the ones which I consider the most important for you all. An Angel in Disguise. These 4 very important, and at the same time, you all know that the Blue Beat and All Summer in a Day has been cut from the board syllabus. So in that case, A Face in the Dark and my first Olympic gold medal or Olympic medal, whichever you have, my first gold medal, Jesse Owens, I am talking of that one. Study these 5 very well. Face in the Dark, these 6 rather, 4 chapters you will give your best, and prepare 2 more to remain in the safe side. Why? Because suppose the questions, the chapters have come, maybe from these 4, 2 chapters have come out of the 3, but one might be very difficult, and one question has come from The Face in the Dark and my first Olympic medal or my first gold Olympic medal. So Jesse Owens is one. So if one comes from these 2, from between these 2, I mean Face in the Dark and this one, then you can always go for that one. So that is why I am suggesting that don't go only for 4 chapters, because the chapters coming, that is important, but at the same time the questions also have to be easy, in the sense some questions might be in a roundabout fashion and some might be direct, plain, easy to understand, easy to comprehend and easy to handle. So that is why I suggest always do a little more extra work. Just don't go for the 4 feeling very satisfied that yes, from these 4, 3 are surely coming. If not 3, 2 are coming. What's the harm studying 2 more chapters? So my suggestion is that Chief Seattle, A Horse and Two Goats, The Old Man at the Bridge, A Face in the Dark, and my first Olympic medal. These are the 4 and 2, 6 chapters you will study. If you want to attempt 2 from the prose, and if you don't want to attempt 2 from the prose, if you are planning to answer 2 from poems and 2 from Merchant of Venice and only 1 from prose, in that case you can study the 4 chapters I mentioned previously. It's done. Chief Seattle, Old Man at the Bridge, Horse and Two Goats, and An Angel in Disguise. If you are thinking of attempting only 1 question, these 4 are enough. And if you are planning to attempt 2, then I would suggest go for A Face in the Dark and my first Olympic gold medal, or my first Olympic medal. Go for that. these two. So you will surely get your questions from here. And I always suggest study a little more, as I just now told you, because if you get a critical question and you feel I have studied this chapter but this question seems a bit difficult, the question, and that chapter I have not studied so well, but the questions are so easy, so why didn't I go through it? So that you don't have to suffer in this way, I am always suggesting stay in the safe side, prepare a little more. And the Face in the Dark and that Jesse Owens one, they are very easy, and you are sure to get one from this. Now the choice is yours. And regarding the poems, very important, Heart of the Tree. Heart of the Tree, The Cold Within, Television, Daffodils. These four are very, very important. And from this at least two should come. If you want to attempt, I am sure two should come from these four. And one might come from Patriot and which one? The two which have been cut from the ICSE syllabus, they are Abu Ben Adhem and I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings. So in that case, Patriot after Blenheim and 9 gold medals. So if you want, you can prepare 9 gold medals. If you don't want also, these the first 4 which I mentioned, they are sufficient. You are surely to get at least 2 from them. And if you want to remain in the safe side, 9 gold medals. Go for it. So these are my list of probables, but don't think that they are the ones which will definitely come. Yes, 2 at least should come, but I am not saying that exactly all three. So the 6 questions which are to come from prose and poems, all of them will come from here only. There are chances they might have second thoughts, they might repeat. Normally they don't repeat in ICSE, still you never know. But remember one thing, this time the paper will be easy, so don't need to panic. The paper will be easy. Why? Because you've hardly had any online offline classes this time. You've more or less all through the year you've had online classes, and maybe 1 month, at the most 1 month of offline classes, and some of them too you haven't had any offline classes. So in that case the papers will not be really tough. They just want you to sail through. So don't need to panic, but prepare well. If I say don't need to panic, it doesn't mean that happy go lucky life. No. This is a board exam and your first boards. This is the golden gate to your career. So please don't take it so lightly just because I'm saying don't need to panic. Don't need to be tense. Do your work and rest assured. So a little bit of recapitulation in Merchant of Venice. Prepare Act 1, Scene 1, Act 1, Act 2 and Act 3. Act 4, just go through it. Just read it. But lay more emphasis on these 3, 1, 2 and 3. In prose, Chief Seattle, Old Man at the Bridge, A Horse and Two Goats, Angel in Disguise, these 4, study them very well and go through A Face in the Dark and my first Olympic medal. Revise these 2. But study those 4 very well, right from A to Z. Go for the theme, go for the title, go for the critical appreciation, go for the figures of speech, everything. Go for the vocabulary in these 4. First 4 I mentioned. And again in your poems, as I am just trying to revise what I have said earlier, Heart of the Tree, Cold Within. and then television and daffodils. So it could be that you get television and daffodils and one from heart of the tree. It can be you can get all three from here, or if not, at least two. And to remain in the safe side, you can go for one. 9 gold medals, go for that. If it doesn't come also, 2 plus 1 plus 2, you are not needed to attempt all the 9 questions. You are to attempt 5 and you have a wide range of choice. So you can leave if you want. But these 4 of prose and these 4 of poems have to be studied very well. And the acts which I told you, among them I have told you the scenes, the casket scenes are obviously important, and since it has not come last year, there is every possibility. I am not saying it is coming, but I am saying there is a probability of one of the casket scene at least coming, and Act 1 scene 2 and 3. Though all the scenes in Act 1, they are definitely very important. Act 1, Scene 1, Scene 2 and Scene 3 are very, very important. But since Scene 1 has come last year, they might think otherwise. But prepare all the scenes, but focus more on these. And if you want, you can leave Act 4. So it doesn't matter if it comes also, as I said. Unless you are thinking of going for 3 plus 1 plus 1. That means 3 from Merchant of Venice, 1 from poem and 1 from prose. So prepare well and good luck. And as I just said, don't go for shortcuts. Don't just study those 4. I said read everything, but lay more stress on these. So that if you are hard struck, if you have revised the others, you can always attempt, because if the questions are a bit difficult to handle of the ones you have prepared, you can always fall back upon the ones which have come in 2019 and has been and will be repeated this year, or you see them repeated this year, but since, like A Face in the Dark and my first Olympic medal. So these two have come in 2019, and yet there are chances of its coming. And these are easy chapters. That is why I am suggesting, not because they have come in 2019, but these 2 chapters are easy. So if questions come from here, you can very well answer them. Only 2 pages, both of them, 2 sides. Face in the Dark 2 side and Jesse Owens's one 2.5. So yes, and this is what I just wanted to tell you all. And please, please, please prepare well, study well. Don't go for shortcut methods, because English is your first language, and if you labor a little, I assure you, in ICSE literature you can always score at 100. Many of my students have got 100 in the last 2 years when the papers have been split. Earlier they never came to know whether they got 100 in literature. Why? Because the average marks would be given of the 2 papers, but now the 2 papers, the marks, you can have a knowledge of them separately. So many of my students have got 100. Even in YouTube also, I have found many of my students following my channel in YouTube, they have also told that ma'am, we've got 100 last year and the year previous also. So y'all also can do it, only you need to devote yourself 1 month, no playing games, nothing on your PUBG mobile and PUBG and all that. Please, this month at least go through everything from A to Z, and the chapters and the scenes and the acts which I told you. Revise them a little more than the others. And happy preparation, best of luck. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Bye for the time being.